Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share with you the latest and greatest in coffee technology. Today, I have a very special product to show you, the Goudveer F1 coffee grinder. This is not your ordinary coffee grinder. This is a revolutionary device that will change the way you enjoy your coffee. The Goudveer F1 is a dual-mode electric coffee grinder that combines efficiency, durability, and portability to provide you with a superior coffee grinding experience. Whether you want to make espresso, French press, or anything in between, the Goudveer F1 can handle it with ease and precision. The secret behind the Goudveer F1 is its patented conical burr grinder, made from the highest quality 420 stainless steel with a Rockwell hardness of 50 plus HRC. This means that it can grind your coffee beans to the perfect size every time without losing any flavor or aroma. You can also adjust the grind size with 100 levels of fineness, each level changing by 18 microns. That's how precise this grinder is. The Goudveer F1 is truly a masterpiece of Dutch craftsmanship and modern technology, and I can't wait to try it out. If you are interested in getting one for yourself, you can check out their Kickstarter campaign here where they are offering some amazing rewards and discounts for early backers. But hurry, because the campaign ends soon, and you don't want to miss this opportunity to revolutionize your coffee ritual. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more coffee-related videos. Until next time, stay caffeinated and happy brewing.